Hello everybody, this is a flower garden update, and so these are solar power lights, and got those from Walmart. And then here is some pumpkin seeds, and I think maybe a flower too, but I'm not sure. But look, all in there it's going to be pumpkins, and I never grew pumpkins before. And then here, these are the regular flowers right here that you see. And these are some planters. Got some flowers going to be growing right there. Probably can move those. The sun can get to them. Yeah. And then if you look, right there, you see that green? That's a flower coming up. And that's, I just planted that too. That's going to be a flower. And I got some more of those lights. I like those solar power lights. Those are really cool. And hopefully I can turn it this way, guys. Look. I see it? A sunflower. Turn around. Ah, y'all see it? Sunflower. Yes, isn't it beautiful? That's a sunflower. It's directed to the sun too. See, now you can see it. See? There's a sunflower right there. And so I planted some more sunflowers in this planter right there. So I planted some more of them. I can't wait for these other ones to start to bloom. And the soil is still, the soil in these containers right here are still wet, still moist. So I'll probably wait for a while and then just to water them. But I can't wait. I think I got these from Walmart. And then I planted some more sunflowers right there, so they'll probably start to come up too, if they can. I just want y'all to see the sunflower, and I'll be doing some more flower garden updates for you real soon. Subscribe and like, and be sure to read in the description below. Hear that bird? Just let y'all hear the sound of the bird right now. Pretty blue sky. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye.